Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of my Vietnam vlog. So we had reached Vietnam this morning, and this is our hotel, which is Hotel Tyrant Hanoi. This is situated in Old Quarter, and it is in the morning around 10:30, and our checking time was at 2 p.m. So we had requested that if they can provide us early check-in. So we were just sitting in the reception area, and they provided us some welcome drink, which was really nice. And overall, like this reception and the lobby area, I quite like the hotel, and also I would highly suggest that you can stay here. It is maybe on the higher end side compared to the other hotels in Vietnam. So this costed us around 4,000 rupees per night, but I would still suggest it's a very nice one. So next we decided that let's check out the rooftop of the hotel. So this is I think 15th floor, which had the bar and the pool area, and also had this nice view of Old Quarter. And the weather actually was really cloudy and gloomy that day, but the temperature was 25 degree, so that was not really cold. And that also had a pool area, and overall this whole place I quite liked it. Hey guys, so this is the rooftop that I just showed you. Our room, as I told, that the check-in was at 2 p.m. But from the reception they mentioned that they will try to have it ready by 12. So we just came to the rooftop. But the food, we are not gonna have food here because there are a lot of good cafes just outside the hotel. So we are just planning to go to some other cafe, have some breakfast, because we both are really hungry. And it's around 11 p.m. now, 11 a.m. now. So we have around 1 hour to have some food and all, and we will come back, check in, maybe just get freshened up, and maybe sleep a little bit. And then I think in around like 3 or 4 we will go out, have some lunch, and then just look around the place. And yes, this is the rooftop that I showed you, and let's see. So upon keeping our bags in the hotel, we went out, and everything is walkable distance in this area. By the way, you will get like cafes, store, places to visit. Everything is walkable. Like if you are fine with walking like 1 or 2 kilometers. So upon walking maybe 5 minutes, we reached the lake, which is the Ho Hoan Kiem Lake. If I'm pronouncing that, I know definitely wrong. But this is a very nice place. Like you can see people are just sitting there and chilling. And since this was not a hot day, I think people were loving this calm and serene thing. And also just in middle of the lake, you can see that red bridge. There is a pagoda, and you can definitely visit there. I forgot to film. So this is the pagoda, as you can see. And also this is not a free entry. There is a ticket counter. You have to purchase the ticket and go there. And I will also recommend that to definitely come here in the evening, and you can see the bridge is light up and it looks really beautiful. After that we went to have our brunch. We were really hungry, so we went to a Chinese restaurant. We ordered some soup, some noodles with chicken, and some salad. The salad quantity was really good. Like overall the quantity was very less, and it was not good. I won't suggest go to any Chinese restaurant, because these are authentic Chinese, and I think us Indians won't prefer this kind of food. I would suggest to have Vietnamese cuisine instead. And also the ATM in between, we went to the ATM which is just beside the building, and got some local currency. We used our normal Indian ATM, and by the time we came back it was around 1:30 p.m. and we can see that our hotel room is finally cleaned and we checked in. So this is the hotel room. And the best part was this balcony. So we chose the room with balcony, and this is like the private balcony we had. And by this time it is almost 12 hours that we are traveling. We were dead tired, and we just went to sleep after keeping our luggage there. We woke up quite late. It was 7 p.m. and by the time we came out, we saw that all of the shops are open. Like they were almost about to close. There were like people on the street selling a lot of things. And also one thing, you have to bargain for everything, because they like the prices they mentioned that are really steep, so you have to bargain a lot. So we came out we are going to Train Street now, and yeah, The place actually looks quite deserted. I'm not sure like today Monday is a holiday or what's the case. But yes. So we walked for around maybe a kilometer, and this is the famous train street. Though the train was already passed at that time, so it was quite empty. And by the way, when we went, the train street was open, but currently train street, this whole street is closed. All the cafes are closed, so you cannot visit train street right now. So we are lucky at that time. So this went to a really nice cafe. So we ordered some food, so I don't remember what this thing is. Then this is the dry pork, which was really bad. Like, don't order it, it was not good at all. We also got some beer, and I also had some cocktail. And the best thing that we had is this spring roll. I think this was pork spring roll. This was yummy. That was really good. And also the cafes in this train street was really cheap, so overall it costed us around, I guess, 500 to 600 Indian rupees. So while coming back, we went to some tour agencies to plan for our next day trip. So this is the itinerary I'm just mentioning right there. And also you have to bargain a lot. You can see that luxury is around like 5,000 per head, and ultimately we paid 19 lakh dong, which is like 6,500 our Indian currency. And this is the contact of the tour that we took, and also I would recommend it. It will be on my next vlog, but it was a really nice trip. And after that we went to this cute mini mart. Like, this kind of stores are all over Southeast Asia, and I love visiting this kind of stores. We got some water, some food, like chips and biscuits, and also the prices are like almost like the same that we pay for our Indian, like the biscuits, noodles. These are 10-15 rupees. We had some ice cream as well from just nearby the hotel area. And yes, that's the end of our day one. I know we didn't go much because we were dead tired, but the next vlog will be interesting. We went to Ninh Bình, Trang An, and a lot of places. And don't forget to subscribe. Also comment down below.